but we're getting closer. And yeah, I'll show you guys how I break down the rest of this. Good thing for power tools. Especially good saws. But yeah, I'm gonna get this last side cut off, and then the rest of this should be easy. I don't really have to take that part out because I'm only after this stuff. And if you get one side free, it pulls out of the core. And what's going on, everybody? Yep, it's me out here working on this dryer motor scrap. It's been a little bit since I caught up to you guys on this one. Apologies, but such a nice day outside using my good old recycling bin workbench. Why not? Pull all this copper out of here and get to melting it down. Going around and cutting all the little pieces in between. Then I'll hammer those guys out. Such a nice day out today. Couldn't help but come out. Soak up a little bit of extra vitamin D. I'm cutting into these. I really hope they're copper. Not like copper coated. That looks like a white metal on the inside. That's very strange. Maybe I've been duped. I will say, nothing about this was totally easy, by the way. There's a lot of cuttings and chopping. But hey, if that's real copper all through there, which I don't know. It's not some kind of weird aluminum coated or something, or copper coated aluminum. It's very strange though. Anyway, either way, we'll see what it does. Well, the furnace will melt it. Hopefully everybody's having a safe and wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Got my smoker all cleaned out and up and running today, so I'll be doing some ribs tomorrow. That should be fun. Tasty. Haven't fired that thing up in quite a while. What a beautiful day today, though. Alright, well, I won't take up all you guys' time. I just wanted to pop in and say Happy Memorial Day. And hope everybody's doing well. I'll get chiseling away on this, and I'll catch you guys up when I get this all cleaned up. We're going to throw this in the furnace. See what melts up. Metally Corrupted. As always, thanks for stopping by and checking out my video today. Hope you liked it. If you did, and you're new, please hit that sub button, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know how I did. Thanks for stopping by. As always, stay corrupted.